Hi, Prahalad.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. Like, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, before starting that, congratulations for your placements, Prahalad.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Prahalad, introduce yourself about your college and native.
Okay, ma'am. My name is Prahalad from Andhra Pradesh. I recently graduated in Annamacharya Institute of Science and Technology, Tirupati. I recently joined in CMTI course in construction management.
In advanced construction management, what are the new topics you have learned apart from your college side?
Quantity and estimations, like reading of drawings, sequence of construction, and also bar bending schedule, quantity takeoff.
Okay, Prahalad, how about your software training? What are the softwares you have learned?
AutoCAD, Revit, SketchUp, and also studied, ma'am. AutoCAD, Manjunath sir told very good, ma'am. And also SketchUp also Manjunath sir, but Vim Venkatesh sir, ma'am. Very good. MSP Prem Kumar sir.
Okay, Prahalad. How about your site visits and showroom visits? Where all you have went and what you have gained from the practical knowledge?
Minimum, I am going to 10 or 12 site visits, ma'am. On the interior and construction also I am going. First of all, construction assist interiors, design cave like IKEA, IBO, that kind of, ma'am. Construction means Victoria Hospital and also greenhouse building like that, ma'am.
Interview preparation. How you started preparing for your interviews?
ఎలా ఉండాలి, ఎలా చేయాలి, ఎట్లా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయాలి ఇంటర్వ్యూలో, టోటల్ గైడెన్స్ అంతా తమిళ్ మంది సార్ అండ్ నటరాజన్ సార్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేశారు.
Okay, Prahalad. Like, how was your interview round?
3 rounds. First round is introduction, second round is technical, third round is personal interview.
Okay, like for which role you have selected for?
Catalyst engineer.
I think you're happy with your role and the placement.
Yes, ma'am. Really happy.
Okay, Prahalad, like how about your CMTA staff and coordinator support towards you?
Coordinators also very supported, ma'am, and also time management like classes and also good, ma'am. And lecturers like Natarajan sir, Tamil Mani sir, Virupaksha sir also very nicely teaching.
Finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors about CMTI and about your placement?
Definitely, I share the CMDI my friends, ma'am. Okay, confirmly I will recommend it for my juniors.
Okay, Prahalad, like thank you for your feedback. Have a bright future. Congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Prahalad.